Innovation of SCB is about how are we going to make use of new ways of doing things. It could be technology, but it could also be a way of just reorganizing the way we work to address our customers' banking needs. So innovation is about making use of new ideas, new services, new delivery mechanisms. Sometimes we might make use of technology to address our customers' needs. I think innovation, it's about thinking outside of the box, thinking beyond the 9 dots, right? Personally, I would not like to introduce a set of parameters, because sometimes once we've said that, our employees may misinterpret it that those are the rules that they need to follow, and sometimes that might suppress some of their best innovative ideas. But having said that, we are a financial institution. So the way we would like to look at innovation is that anything that can help us to better deliver our service, or anything that would address the new requirements of our customer needs, we do think those are the 2 most important areas that we would evaluate our innovative ideas. I think commercialization of innovation is not a standalone thing. Innovation is not a standalone, I would say, cure to address all the digital, evolution these days. Having said that, I think it is very important to ensure that the strategy of the banks actually have a certain element of innovation inside. One of the 3 strategic agenda is to invest and innovate. But once that is clear, then it will make our commercialization of all our innovation very, very straightforward. Going back to what I've said a little bit earlier, whatever we choose, whatever idea that evaluate, we need to put our customer first, because that is the strategy of our bank, which is to deepen the customer relationship. So once we are clear in that, we basically invest and put our money and resources behind that. So when we receive a lot of good ideas from, let's say, fintech companies, we will first of all take a look to see whether those pieces of new technologies are in line with our existing product and services offering, whether they can improve it, or maybe they can provide something that we are not able to provide to our customers today. So we will first of all pick those ideas that would delight our customer first. And then we'll work with them to see whether the new services or technology are able to comply with our own bank policies and procedure, and more importantly, whether they comply with the local regulatory requirements. So that's how we think we should commercialize those new innovations.